Hello everyone, welcome to a spooky Cosmic Kids Yoga freeze dance. When the music stops, instead of freezing like a statue, we do a yoga pose. Check out all the ideas of poses in the bubbles above, or just do the one that you like doing. Are you ready? Let's dance! What are you going to do next? What yoga pose? Let's dance it out. You rock. Feel that fear and do it anyway. Oh, wow. That was amazing! You take that spark, that energy and that life into whatever you are doing next. And I'll see you again soon for another yoga freeze dance.